Pranam to all, I hope you are all fine. A few days ago, we uploaded a video on Arabian jasmine. This is the update of our jasmine plant. It is flowering like this every day. But today I'll not talk about this plant. Today I'll talk about the Parijat plant. Do you know this brings good luck to your family? Those who watched our videos knew that this plant has been in our garden for a long time. Also, this plant's health was really good. But unfortunately, due to excessive heat wave last year, our plant died. But then we noticed that a new stem is growing from the roots. Then we tried to save that plant last year. But this is the health of the plant right now. We had hard pruned our plant after the winter season. Not only that, we also removed all the mulch that we gave in the winter season for this plant. Also, we aerated the soil of this plant a little bit. As you know, aeration can be done by digging the soil of the plant. And after digging, we are going to give some kind of fertilizer to our plant. And that fertilizer will help in the flowering season as well as in the summer season. After digging it, we removed the topsoil of the plant and let the soil beneath it sun dry for about 1 week before giving anything. After 1 week, look, there's some new branches in the plants. Now we are going to give some fertilizer to the plant. It's nothing much, just kitchen waste compost added with some dried banana peels and eggshell. As you already know, kitchen waste compost has all kinds of micro and macronutrients which are good for your plants. And the banana peels and the eggshells will help in the flowering of the plant. Make sure to keep on pruning your plants for a more bushier plant. And make sure to keep on checking for any kind of insect attacks. As you know, during Delhi summer seasons, the temperature go up, for which it burns some of our plant's leaves. But for the past 1 week, Delhi's temperature is lower than before, which is helping the plant to grow even better. Also, make sure to keep on pruning your plant as it helps in lateral branching. In summers, we'll not give much fertilizers or manures to the plant. We'll only give liquid fertilizers, which can be kitchen waste compost liquid fertilizer, tea leaf compost liquid fertilizer, etc. I hope if you also take care of your plants like this, it will also thrive. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.